Hey guys, good morning, good evening. This is Sachin Kumar. My aim is to create 10 lakhs jobs in India for absolutely free, and that is why I'm doing these kind of streams because I want to create 10 lakhs jobs for absolutely free. What we will be doing, we will be training people for free, we will be placing them as much as we can for free. Why I want to do this? Because this is my aim of my life. uh, and this is very attached to me. I want to fulfill this within this lifespan, and this is my personal goal also. So I have gained a lot of knowledge over the period of time, and I also want to share it. And now this situation in India is getting a little bit difficult and challenging. Let me check my sound real quick, if this is perfectly working or not. If it is working, then we should, yeah, it is working, yeah. So let me continue. So why I'm doing this? Because I always wanted to do this, but I always felt like I am in a comfort zone, and now I'm trying to break it. I am also trying to improve my setup. Currently it's not that great looking setup. I'm just having some basic setup. I'll improve it going forward, but this is not the main area. Main area is to share my knowledge, uh, who makes me eligible, my experience of more than 15 years in software industry. I've been working as a software developer, as a tech lead, and junior developer, then senior developer, then the lead. And after that I was working as a software architect, still working as a software architect for a software company. And in my part time from last 3 to 4 years, I have been training different guys also with the company, obviously. So we are training in US city, US candidates we are training, and um, we are placing them in US market only. So most of the guys are US citizens, and we are placing successfully. We have placed many candidates, like more than, I think, with my lead only, I think we placed more than 300 candidates. With my lead means I was leading the team, and now I'm not anymore with them because of I also wanted to start something on my own. So that part-time job I'm not continuing nowadays, and that is why this some of that time I still have, and now I have to fulfill my dream also, right? So I want to create these many jobs now in India. uh, if you want to be a part of it, just you are welcome. Only thing should be, you should be a deserving guy who cannot afford most of the other services, paid services. But these 10 lakhs jobs I'll create somehow anyhow. This is my personal agenda, this is my personal goal, this is my personal desire, whatever you want to say it. Yes, I'm fine with it. And we will create multiple batches, free batches. No money will be asked ever in those batches. And why and how I will generate the money to support the financial operation, that is still we're thinking about it. Definitely we'll have to generate the money from some other operations, but nothing will be asked in these kind of batches. Maybe we'll have to, because these trainings will be done mostly by, not mostly, it will be done only by real professionals. Real project will be done, everything will be real, and we will more focus on the latest technology, like all the basic technologies are getting um, op- they are getting really obsolete, and we don't want to focus on those technology which are nowadays, which are used very less, in very less projects. Only basic or some core project only will be using those technology, but now we will focus on majorly on the latest technology, including the AI. So we are a team of professionals who will be providing you all the coaching for absolutely free, for free batches. And for generating the money, the financial aspect of it, we will be creating some paid batches, obviously, so that we can support this free operation. Excuse me. Okay, I'm back. um, so we will be supporting all the operations for absolutely free and for paid batches, because financially we will have to be viable to support all these free batches. So we'll be generating money through other operations. No money, nothing will be asked in these batches. And these are my primary aim. But apart from that, I also want to connect with you guys whenever you are available. I want to uh, provide some free consultation also, and if allowed, I'll put that on the stream also, so we can have some healthy discussion what technology is in demand around all the challenges and problems that you are facing. So just try to put your message if you are watching this, if you are in the chat, if you're watching it later, just try to connect with me. There are some guys who are actually connected to me, and I'm guiding them as per best of my knowledge. I'll also try to put them, if they are deserving candidates, I'll try to put them in the free batches that we are going to start very soon. And apart from that, yeah, we will be training mostly on the front end services, front end technologies, back end technologies, and AI technology, especially. All the aspect of AI will be covered mostly, and full stack also will be covered. DevOps, we will try to cover the DevOps aspects also, because nowadays companies are not looking for vanilla, front end guys, back end guys. They are looking for mixture. They are looking for guys who can support almost most of the operation. They still need some specialized guys in their specific projects, but in most of the time they need people who can be, who can be fitted in different project they are targeting. So if you can be fitted in any of the project, you will be preferred for sure. Your interview will be uh, your interview will be easier, because a lot of expectation will be from you, but not from the depth but from the breadth. uh, and that way it will be little easier. If they are only targeting only, let's say, for a specific technology, then your interview will be in depth. It will be totally in depth. um, and we will be training you based on many different latest technology, including Python, including some aspect of Java also, including AI mostly. We will be working with Python, and in front end we will be using many different technology stack, including React and DevOps operations, whatever is being used in current industry. So in current project we will be using, and we will be showcasing all the projects that we are working with. We are working with many different projects, including me also. I have many different project, personal project also, that I was working with. Apart from my full-time job, I was working with some of the other project also, that will be shared with the candidates. And yeah, so we are planning to do a lot of things, because nowadays it's not going to be easy. Almost, I think, if I am correct about it, if I can, uh, see it, for foresee it, almost 90% of the company, or almost 90% of the student of any college will not get job for sure going forward. Only 10% will get the job, because uh, colleges colleges are already outdated. They are not focusing on the latest trend. They are not focusing on the real projects. They are not they only teach you very basic things. They only teach you uh, only academic things, right? You understand, there is academic things, there are, it will be uh, generally it is far from what is going on in the current industry, and that is why they provide real-time training, right? When you go to any project, they will be giving you KTs, they will be giving you trainings, and that way you will be ramped up in any of the project. But generally that is very costly for them. It takes a lot of time to give those or provide those kind of training for a fresher, and not many of the companies are now they are not actually interested in providing those kind of training. They want somebody who is already trained in most of the technologies, and if you are well trained in these latest technology, they will prefer you for sure. So yeah, we will teach you all these skills going forward in our free batches and our paid batches also. So almost everything will be similar, apart from some of the specific services that we will provide exclusively for uh, paid batches. Paid batches, why we are doing paid batches? Because we have to generate the money also, right? Because we have to support the free operation. If I hire, let's say, 20 people, then uh, if their average cost is 20 lakhs per annum, then I'll have to generate that much amount of money, and that we will be generating from some paid batches going forward. And that's how we are going to support these free batches. That is the plan. And if you want to be part of this training, if you want to communicate with me, or if you want to consult with me for something for free, that is always welcome. You can put your message in the chat box, or there is, my number is already there in one of the short videos that I posted earlier. And then I'll try to connect with you guys over that chat, and whatever problem or challenges you are facing, so I'll try to sort them out as per best of my knowledge. Obviously um, I'll not be able to solve all the problems in this industry, but yes, according to the kind of experience that I have, and the kind of circle that I have, the kind of professional those are working with me, under me, I can sort out, I think, 80 to 90% of the problem. And uh, that way I think I'll be helpful for you guys. If you're watching it later on also, just try to put your message. I can put you in the chat uh, over the Skype, we can, or over the some of the chatting software we can connect with, and we can do a podcast also, right? If you're okay with the podcast kind of arrangement, then I'll arrange some podcast, and that way we will gain, other people can also gain from our experience from our podcast. So that's my plan going forward. I'll try to do these streams every alternative day, and one day I'll try to post the every alternative day. I'll also try to post a short video. That's the plan. Let's see how it goes. For now, I think I'll be ending this stream sooner today, because I was busy doing some other project and it's still pending. I have to work, I think, 3-4 more hours today. I'll be working to finish that task of mine, kind of POC that I have been doing, that I have to finish. And then tomorrow, probably not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I think I'll arrange somehow 30 minutes for this stream going forward. So that's it from my side. If you're watching this later on, if you're watching this now, just try to put your message in the chat box, or try to connect with me. My number is already given in one of the short video that I posted earlier. I'll try to put my number in the description also. And best of luck for your job hunt. If you want any help, I'm always here. I have to train 10 lakh people no matter what. uh, and um, if you want to be part of this and you are deserving candidate, just try to communicate with me. Thanks a lot. Thank you for today. uh, I'll see you day after tomorrow. Thank you guys.